Hey, I'm Olga from Russian for Fun. Welcome to Lesson 7 of the easiest Russian course for total beginners. We are learning Russian from scratch here, step by step, and making it super easy and fun. Okay, let's get started. Today we are learning a new Russian letter and how to use it in real words and phrases. Okay, let's take a closer look at today's little hero, the letter N. To pronounce N the Russian way, just press the tip of your tongue up against your upper teeth and say N. The good news about the letter N, the small N looks just like the big N. Now let's see how the letter N works in real words. As, for example, on. Again, on. On is just a Russian word for he. Okay, let's say on together. And don't forget to press your tongue against your upper teeth. Let's begin. On. 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 Good. Let's continue. Now let's look at a phrase with the word on. Let's say, he is eating. We've met a phrase like this before in the very first lesson, remember? It was, I'm eating. Я ем in Russian. And now let's check out, he is eating. Let's look at the phrase and read it. Он ест. Again. Он ест. One more time. Он ест. And more natural. Он ест. Now let's make this phrase a bit longer. Let's be specific and say what he is eating. Let's say he is eating pineapple. But before that, let's see how to say pineapple in Russian. This word has a whole two N's in it. Let's read it together. Ananas. A-na-nas. Ananas. And again, really slowly. A-na-nas. A-na-nas. Ananas. Now faster. Ananas. Ananas. Now we are ready for the phrase, he is eating pineapple. Let's read this phrase together. Он ест ананас. And again, он ест ананас. A bit faster. Он ест ананас. And the last time, even more natural. Он ест ананас. Let's practice this phrase «Он ест» with some other Russian dishes we already know, like she and salad. Let's try the phrase "он ест" with she first. Let's read this phrase together. Listen and repeat after me, trying to imitate me. Он ест she. One more time. Он ест she. And again. Он ест she. The last time, a little bit faster. Он ест she. Good. Now let's try this phrase with the word salad in Russian. But first, let's remember how to say salad in Russian. It's easy. Let's read this word together. Салат. Again, салат. One more time. Салат. And the last time. Салат. Now we can easily say he is eating salad in Russian. Wanna read this phrase yourself first? Great! Give it a try. Fantastic! Now it's my turn to read the phrase. Он ест салат. Он ест салат. Он ест салат. Он ест салат. Perfect! The next dish we are gonna try this phrase with is toast. Let's read the word toast in Russian. It's super easy to read and remember. Wanna read it yourself first? Да, it's just toast. Again, toast. And one more time, toast. Now let's use this dish in our phrase. Он ест. Let's say this phrase out loud together. Он ест тост. Again. Он ест тост. A little bit faster. Он ест тост. And more natural. Он ест тост. We are doing amazing. Now let's practice the word он, which means he, in another phrase, like he is at home. We already know a phrase like this from our fourth lesson. There was a phrase я дома, meaning I'm at home. So we just switch out я for он, and that's it. Our new phrase. Let's read it together. Он дома. Again, он дома. Once more, он дома. And the last time, он дома. Easy, right? Now let's practice our new letter N with Russian male and female's name. And don't forget to remember our first Russian reading rule. Let's try with simpler names first. Anna. Again, Anna. The next name is, wanna read it on your own first? That's right, it's Inna. And again, Inna. Let's read the next name together. Жанна. Жанна. To read the next name, we'll need our first Russian reading rule. Let's remember it. The letter E makes the consonant before it soft. Now let's practice this rule a little bit with the names and the letter N. The first name is Nina. Again, Nina. The letter N becomes soft like this. N, Nina. Okay, the next name with the same rule. Wanna read it first? Great job! It's Nika. 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 The consonant N becomes soft like this. N. Now let's read the next name with this rule. Nikita. 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 Now it's time for our last name. Can you read it? Perfect! It's Anita. 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 Alright, that's it for today's lesson. If you liked it, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more, and drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. See you next time. Bye!